Hello students, welcome in our class of Prime Educare and Complete Institution for JEE and NEET. Yes, myself Dr. Neeta Sharma, your biology educator and your guider also, because if you are having any problem about science or bio, you can discuss with me. And now our chapter diversity in the living world. Yes, in previous video, we discussed about many things about taxonomy, or we can say diversity, biodiversity, nomenclature. Yes, so today we are talking about now classification, systematics, taxonomy, categories, taxonomic aids. Yes, today is a very important day for us to study the relationship between very different type of organisms. Yes, students. So finally, here we are and here we go. Our first slide, that classification, taxonomy and systematics. Yes, I'm talking about this type of points. So firstly, I'm talking classification. What is classification, students? Listen. Classification means when you have to arrange any unidentified organism in any category, you have to classify it. It is either plant or animal or something else. So classification is very important, and you know it comes in taxonomy also. Means taxonomy means when you step by step prove that you have identified that organism, then naming that organism, then you have to classify. All this point came around in the same pattern, that is known as taxonomy. That is known as taxonomy, students. So you clear, if you go to the point taxonomy, all three steps come in this category. Now what is systematics? Listen students, systematic means when you add one more thing in identification, in nomenclature, in classification, you have to add evolutionary characters. Yes, from where we evolve, from where that unknown organism evolved. That is the evolutionary characters. So all this process come under systematic, and the term systematic is given by Linnaeus. Yes, definitely very favorite scientist Carlos Linnaeus. Linnaeus gave this term in his book Systema Naturae, the publications. Okay, now here we start very important topic, taxonomic categories. If you have to study any organism, okay, you have to categorize it. There are certain categories. I am talking about 7 categories. I am talking about 7 categories, like first of all species, then genus, then family, order, class, division or kingdom. Okay students, now there are 7 categories, kingdom to species, lowest to highest. Yes, by naming, if you are naming any lowest category, there is a species, and you are moving to a highest category, there is a kingdom. Now you have to clear, all these categories are very important to identify all the organism or to category it. Okay, so this is known as taxonomy category or taxonomy hierarchical series. Okay, taxonomy hierarchical series. So there is also a term for that. There is a 7 categories. Okay ma'am, there is a 7 rank. Okay ma'am, what is rank? You know, category also known as rank. Rank is also known as unit of classification. So there is a similarity between, we called it category, 7 category. How many category? 7 category. We called it rank also. How many ranks? 7 ranks. How many unit of classification are there? 7. Yes. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clear students? So all these are 7 categories. So it is also called taxon or taxa. Now we have to change and we have to find this chart very clearly, that what is species? Listen students, First of all, one by one, we clear all these categories very deeply. So this is the very important topic. Just listen. Okay. See clearly. What is species? Listen. If there is a poultry farm, there are many hens, pigeon, cocks, ducks in that poultry farm. What do you think if I'm giving example to you that you have to mate pigeon with, yes, pigeon with another pigeon. Yes, in the poultry farm, male pigeon only mate with female pigeon. Yes, this is the important topic which I'm talking about, that is known as inbreeding. Yes, this is known as inbreeding. We have to discuss here that when inbreeding is done between morphologically similar organisms, I'm talking about morphologically similar organisms, they have same shape and size, so this considered them species. This definition done by Ernst Mayr. Yes, this definition given by Ernst Mayr. And this term species given by John Ray. Yes, there are two different scientists. Species term given by John Ray. This definition, which is example of pigeon, this is given by Ernst Mayr. He explained very beautifully that process, that inbreeding between all the organisms, separate it out, their male and female organisms, and this is known as species. Okay, this is known as species. So I'm telling that there is a tiger, this is a species. There is a lion, this is a species. And two different species have common genus. Yes, two different species have common genus. Is called Panthera, students. Panthera. Okay. So now you clear that two different species, tigress and lion, okay, they have common similar characters because they are big cats. Okay, their appearance is little bit same, so on the basis of some similar characters they have common genus. It is called Panthera. Okay, now many genus have common family also, students. Yes, there is a big cat family. Now I'm adding here second, small cats. Okay, so Panthera is genus of tiger and lion, and cat genus is Felis. They have similar characters and form a family, Felidae. Okay, Felidae. Here is a family Felidae. So now you have to think that big cat and small cat have some characters. Yes, appearance is little bit same. Their looking is same. Slightly their eyes, silvery pigments are same. Okay, they shine in their night. Okay, so all this category merge and form a common family, Felidae. Yes, students, Felidae. So now have common character like Felidae in a family. So there is a many genus form a common family. Okay, common family. Now many families have common order also. Yes, if I'm talking here dog family, Canidae, and big cat, small cats family, Felidae, they also merge and form a common order, Carnivora. Yes, Carnivora. Yes, students, because they are flesh eater, they have canines, sharp canines. So all these things, yeah, all these things merge, yes, merge to form a common order. Okay, clear? Now, common order. All the orders have common class also, like Carnivora order and Primata. Primata order means those organisms who have brain and well developed: monkey, human, apes, come in this category, in this order. So primata order and carnivora order have common class name mammals or mammalia. Okay, mammals or mammalia. So these are all merging. Listen, species, group of species is called genus, group of genus is called family, group of family is called order, group of order is called class, group of class is called phylum. Yes, phylum. So I have here class mammal and I am writing out class reptile, class reptile. Is there any common character between them? Yes, they both have vertebrae. Yes, they both have vertebrae. So they show common phylum, phylum chordata. Okay, phylum chordata. So I am here to show you that all that different organisms are merging and forming a common phylum. Yes, common phylum, students. Now, phylum chordata and phylum non-chordata. Non-chordata, example, Hydra. Hydra comes in Coelentata phylum. So here we go, non-chordata. So non-chordata and chordata phylum also show common characters and they belongs to a common kingdom, means animal kingdom. So all these categories are merging and form a common kingdom. So what you got? Many characters in lowest category, only little bit characters in higher categories. There is a difference. Okay, so very good chart, very good explanation. So you have to think now about the theory. So firstly revise it out, because students, if you revise very deeply, regularly, you and your writing capacity must be very good. Okay, so first of all, again, just listen my things, whatever I'm saying to you is the best, that if you explain that chart, then you go that theory. Okay, so that taxonomic study is considered a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarity as species. What is species? Go through the definition, which inbred. Okay, example, pigeon made with female pigeon. Okay, that's clear, that is known as species, given by Ansmeyer, term given by John Ray. That's it. Then example, Panthera. Panthera is a genus. Tigris. Tigris is a species. Then Solanum is a genus. Nigrum molongina, that is known as species. So two different species when merged, that is formed genus. Yes, definitely. Here we go. Genus. Genus is a group of related species. Some relation is there, some morphological characters, any similar characters between them. So they merge and they form a common genus. Okay. So best example is, I already gave you Leo and Tigris are the best example to form common Panthera genus. Okay, students. Now, again, for example, if we're talking about plant, potato and brinjal are two different vegetables, but there are some similar characters, some similar properties which they come in same genus, Solanum. Okay, clear, students? Now, here we go, family. What does mean family? Family means when we talk about related genus, related genera. Okay, so I already told you Panthera, lion, tiger, leopard, and cats, genus Felis. Big cats, small cats came in same family, Felidae. Okay, now potato, Solanum, Petunia, Datura, all come in same family, Solanaceae. So, because of some common characters, students, common characters. Now, order, higher category, okay, after family. So, many families have some similarities. Here we talk about cat and dog or primates. So, here we go. Here, Felidae and Canidae. Yes, Felidae is cat family, Canidae is dog family. Both come in same characters, similar characters and merge and to form a common order. Yes, Felidae, I'm giving you one best example that cats, Canadiae, dogs have flesh-eating behavior, sharp canines. All these categories belongs to order, same order, and I am talking about carnivora. Okay, clear. Now, class. I have to told you that many orders merge to form class. Okay, like primata order and carnivora order have some common characters. So they form a common class Mammalia. Okay, so they form a common class Mammalia because they have skin hairs. They give birth to young ones directly and they have mammary glands. Okay, so now finally phylum. Yes, two different class have same common phylum also because I already tell you that fish, amphibia, reptiles and birds belongs to mammals, some characterly because of some severity because of vertebrae. Yes, fishes, amphibian, reptiles, aves and mammals. All these phylums, all these classes belongs to a same phylum chordata because of vertebrae, presence of vertebrae. Now, I am changing my slide that after that you can find it out that now different phylum also show some character similarity which come to a single kingdom. Yes, phylum chordata and phylum non-chordata which doesn't have vertebrae form and merge with the kingdom, animal kingdom. Yes, so this is the chart explanation which I already done you. So now you got your best. Yes, revision and very knowledgeful examples. Yes, tiger, cat, dogs. Okay, finally primates. We are primates. Now organisms with their taxonomic categories. This is the NCERT page. Okay, you have to think the god of bio NCERT. You have to give that examples in your mind that first of all, man. Man's scientific name is Homo sapiens. Homo means genus. Okay, Homo means genus. Sapiens means species. Now, family is Hominidae. This is Latin language which we are used in the science, and Latin language means in English, Hominidae means in English that humans which have non-veg and veg-eater, they live combinedly, very peacefully, and order primate, they come in order primate which have well-developed brain, and they have common class mammalia. Mammals means skin hairs, presence of skin hairs, mammary gland, and give birth to direct young ones. And phylum chordata means vertebrae presence. I already tell you that all examples, so learn thoroughly as a test. Okay, no changes. Now, housefly. What is the scientific name of housefly? Musca domestica. Okay, Musca means genus and domestica is species. Now, Muscidae family, Muscidae. What is the meaning of Muscidae? Muscidae means fly. Okay, flies. So here we goes from flies. So all the flies come in Muscidae family. Okay, students. Now Diptera. Diptera means two pair of wings. Yes, two pair of wings. So two pair of wings. It means order Diptera. Now class Insecta. Insecta have three pair of legs. So next time if you got any organism which have three pair of legs, you consider that it is an insect. It is a class of insect. That animal belong to class of insects. Okay, students. Now, what is Arthropoda? Arthropoda means that animal which have jointed appendages. So all this category are example of Musca domestica. Now I am explaining about plants. Mango. Yes, what is the scientific name of mango? Here you go, Mangifera indica, genus and species, indica species, Anorchidaceae, Sapindales. What is mean? Anorchidaceae and Sapindales. this Latin language means a seed which is hard in shape and structure. Okay, hard stony seed. Now, dicotyledon means which seed divided into two parts. Okay, and angiosperm, that plant which have flower. Okay. Now, wheat scientific name is Triticum aestivum, which is very important cereal of our country. Now, Poaceae, poles, what is mean that? It is means cereals. Monocot, seed having only one cot. Angiosperm, flower with a plant with a flower. Okay, students. So now I explain it very well that this is chart belong to NCERT and you have to learn it thoroughly. Okay, no changes. Now next is taxonomic aids. What is taxonomic aids, students? Students, listen. First of all, taxonomic aids means when you study by thoroughly um, by very congested way, by books, by assignments, etc. But if I said you one day you just go to your farm, garden, any park, any museum, just go there, and what you find it out, you find the best thing in the results, like a practical knowledge, the best thing. Yes, that practical knowledge which you get, that is known as taxonomic aid, students. So finally we are talking about practical knowledge here. Herbarium file, like example, that file which you made by yourself only, nobody is helping you, that practical knowledge you get from yourself. You collect some flower or leaf or root or stem, whatever your teacher asks to you, and you have to collect that part of a plant and dried it by anyhow, and you have to paste that on a herbarium file which is big in size, and that is a column in the herbarium file which have local name, English name, scientific name, from where you collect that part of a plant, what is the date, your teacher signature, all these things. Okay, students. So now you got that drawing page. Okay, remember. Now you are higher in class. Yes, you are higher in class. So you have to do this practical knowledge by yourself and you paste it very well and you find it out. Wow, that is the name of that plant. Scientific name I learned local name, I learned English name, I learned everything about that plant very easily by my own. Yes, that is the point here. Yes, that practical knowledge make you excited about the nature. Okay, so that is the herbarium file which is done only by plants. Now, second is botanical gardens. Botanical gardens means that here are some gardens like Kiwi in England, Indian Botanical Garden in Howrah, Kolkata, National Botanical Research Institute in Lucknow, India. Botanical garden contain very vast variety of different species of plants, like very big in size, very different flower, very different shape, and the extinct species also contain in botanical gardens, like example which I given you. So this is the most important for research, for any researcher or students. You have to visit that place. Okay, that is the mind-blowing experience. You see very variety which you doesn't know about anything. Okay, now museum. Yes, if you study some in museum, you have to study dead animals or plant like specimens in a jar or a skeleton. So you have to visit museum and you take knowledge about that organisms, but they are dead, not live. Okay, now zoological parks, like my favorite part, like in natural habit, that animal, how he feed, how he show, how he roam around. So all these habits or habitat in a natural condition, you look animal in his natural condition, that is known as zoological park, and we have very large varieties of that zoological parks. So now next is After taxonomic aids, I have to conclude that there are 5 kingdom students: animal, plant, fungi, protista and monera. So further we study also these all kingdoms very deeply. But today I am ending my video, and from all your students I am just asking you that you have to revise all this. Whatever I am teaching you, please revise it out. Revise, because this revision make you a great capable person for a bio. So now we meet in next video. So please like and share and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you, students. Bye.